दशहरा की शुभकामनाएं।
As we celebrate the victory of good over evil, let's send warm wishes to our loved ones. We're going to use Varnz.ai to create personalized Dussehra greetings. Enter your Dussehra message. Let's get creative and craft a heartfelt message. Varnz.ai will generate 5-6 unique responses based on your selections. Add a personal touch to your message responses by including your personal information. Once you picked your favorite message, you can easily copy the message. Perfect for sharing with friends and family. Want to share it with the world? Varnz.ai allows you to share on social media platforms. And now let's turn it into a beautiful Dussehra card. If you're in search of a great card, just explore the tabs to find the one that suits your needs. Now, you can download your customized Dussehra card.
Wish your loved ones a happy Dussehra filled with love, happiness and success.